Mabuhay and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to visit, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Hi everyone! Today we are making easy chicken quesadilla. And these are the ingredients. Onion, garlic, and tomato. Of course, chicken for our chicken quesadilla, salt and pepper. My Mexican mix. Please check the recipe in my description box below. Cooking oil, I prefer using olive oil. Sour cream, garlic aioli, and of course, mozzarella cheese. Let us use the roasted garlic super soft wraps. Now, let's get cooking. In my future video, I will teach you how to make quesadilla without using a sandwich press. And there you have it, guys, our super quick, easy, and healthy chicken quesadilla. Please try my recipe and don't forget to tag me in your videos so I can shout you out. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Until our next cooking tutorial.
This video is brought to you by MOMiji's Amazon store, kitchen essentials curated for you, MOMiji's channel members, and MOMiji's merchandise with thousands of items to choose from, designed by yours truly.
There's more for you, my lovely supporters. Use iSubbed at Teespring checkout to get $30 off your entire order. Links below.